Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we have a slightly different kind of video. It is a life update video. We have not been on YouTube for a little while, and there is a specific reason for that, and we really want to share this with you guys because it is very important. If you like these kind of videos, I'm going to ask that you give this video a thumbs up. Ensure that you subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet.
And subscribe. They can't subscribe, but we'll get to that in a minute.
We'll get to that in a second. But just leave a comment down below.
Yes.
Anything that you want to say to us, you can just leave it down below. We really appreciate your comments. So cue the music.
Intro.
Yo, in a top form. Top form. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the foods, man, they tell the chef hurry.
Cue the music. So guys, our channel was suspended by YouTube about 2 weeks ago. That is the reason why we have not been on YouTube for a little while.
If you notice,
if you are subscribed to our channel and if you are a loyal subscriber, then you would actually know that there wasn't any content up there. It's like if you were supposed to go and search for the Gordonz, you wouldn't see anything there like 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago there was nothing there for the Gordonz.
I know the worst part is, or was, they were telling people to unsubscribe if they want to unsubscribe from our channel. You know, so it's like it's a setup thing. You know, it was a very sad moment for me. It was like heartbreaking. You know,
it was terrible. It was very horrifying because we almost reached 500 subscribers.
Close.
We were so close to 500 subscribers. Our watch time is almost at 4,000. You understand? So YouTube doing that to us now, it just set us back like so far behind. Like we could have reached 500 subscribers already, and we could have made the watch time. Even though we could have get 1,000 subscribers. We could have probably get 1,000 subscribers already. You understand? But YouTube did us so dirty. It was so horrible. And the sad thing about it is like we never get any strike. There was no strike,
no community strike, no copyright strike,
nothing on our channel before. We just got up. I went to work and I checked the channel before. That's something I do every morning. I check the channel to see if we get any new comments and to see how our videos are progressing. So I went to work. I looked at that, everything was fine. Then I got a call from Kim, and it's like he was very furious, and I'm like, what happened? And he told me that there was an email that says our channel has been suspended. We'll like put the little note right here of what was said, and it was so vague because it said we'd like to inform you that due to the repeated or severe violations of our community guidelines, and then give the link or whatever.
Spam, violence, sexual contents, and all type of other things.
So it was just some broad heading. It wasn't specific as to what exactly we violated in the community guidelines, because when we read the community guidelines, there was nothing in the community guidelines that had anything to do with
us,
our content. So it kind of just weird that YouTube just take down the thing, just give you a vague thing and just leave it at that. The only way we could have contacted YouTube was they gave a little link inside that same email for us to appeal. And we could only appeal once. So we had to make that appeal very convincing. So we had to write up a little thing or whatever. I think we'll probably put what we wrote as well. So in the event someone out there, you know, is going through the same thing or whatever.
Not the same thing. If you know that you're innocent, then you can travel that route. Because if you're guilty, it doesn't make sense to try to appeal.
Right. Because it would have been terminated and not suspended. So our channel was suspended, not terminated. So that kind of put us at ease, but we didn't know how long they would suspend the channel for. They never said anything. The only thing they replied and said, we're going to keep the channel suspended.
Yes.
That's all they said, and we could not get back to them no way, shape, or form.
Yes. And
nothing.
What I also did, I went to Twitter and I found the YouTube person over on Twitter. I text them and told them that our channel has been gone and we need it back.
Falsely
right?
Suspended.
Yes. And he replied and said he's gonna look into it. Until today, he didn't look into it. And even if he was the one that caused our channel to be back, he didn't state it. So I would say that is not him. Maybe a human being finally look into our account.
Yeah, because you know YouTube have the
computerized thing,
right? And
which
you know,
is not fair.
And it gives a lot of glitch
yes.
sometimes, because there are a lot of people out there who said that YouTube will give pure problem. Like, it's just ridiculous, and it affect the channel a lot. And yeah. So fast forward
to today.
This week Thursday. Today is Sunday. So this week Thursday, we woke up, and when we woke up, came check the email, and all of a sudden there were floods of email from YouTube, right? And the emails were like, let me see if we can find.
Hey the Gordonz, a copyright owner using content ID, some materials in your video. Vlog number 1, first day in Jamaica. I've a so they said vlog number 1, our first vlog in Jamaica. They told us that we have music that is copyrighted by a next person. However, we are not in any trouble, right? Then the list goes on.
But however, that music, wasn't that music your music?
Yeah, all of those music are mine.
So those music or rhythms or whatever, some of the times we use some rhythms that came with me in there. So we understand that, but they didn't state it
before.
Exact, like these videos were like months behind. Like
yes,
they didn't
years.
say it. Not years. months.
months
behind. Months behind. So initially they didn't say to us, okay, you have a copyright on this. Like each time we put out the video, they never say it.
Yes.
So it's like
everything just
come in one time. But those music were kept.
Yeah, all of them. Only one music we use, what is not mine, and it's the last video in the last dancer playlist. Obviously, those are not my music.
Yeah, those were not his music, but I think we didn't edit it properly.
Yes.
So I think that was the case. There was one music,
too long.
One of this, it was too long, and I didn't realize. So
we got a copyright.
So we got a copyright.
But we were not in any trouble.
We're still not in any trouble. Our channel has not gotten astray because of it. It's just that when ads are played on those videos,
the person will make money off our video as well. Right. But most of the songs are mine. They are mine, registered and thing in my name, in our name, our company name, music name. So we'll still make money off of it, but just into the music section, not into the video. So if we make $2, $1 will be for the music and $1 for our channel.
Right. So we would have wanted to know that we had gotten the copyright at the same time.
Yes.
Instead of flooding the channel and say, oh, no, suspended.
Yes.
You understand? So that means they never did do their job.
No, they're not, because I believe, according to computer and technology, right? If you have a computer, you don't update your computer. Whenever you're gonna turn off your computer, it's gonna tell you, look, do you wanna update it? Yes or no? They don't even give it a chance. Where shutdown is, restart and shutdown. Update and shutdown. So you don't have no other choice but to update it. So that was the thing. The longer you take to update it, update is gonna be an update, right? So when YouTube finally look into our account, they're seeing that, okay, these people have a lot of copyright. So they're gonna clamp on our channel, suspend it for a while to look into it. They're not doing their job.
Because it sucked, because when you should not do your job, you're not do your job, and you just suspend with channel and almost reach like a target that we really want to reach. So that kind of pissed me off, like real bad.
Yeah.
Because we could not reach so far right now, and they gave us back the channel, you know. They gave us back the channel.
They didn't want to give us back the channel.
They didn't. I don't think they. I don't know if. Well, I don't. Whatever.
I'm saying that until they fix our subscribe button.
Because they gave us back the channel with our videos on it and everything. But listen carefully. They did not give us our subscribe button back. So if you, as a subscriber, if you subscribe now, I'm going to ask that you just go on the channel a little bit, just click on the Gordonz a little bit, and see if you see the subscribe button. Normally when you subscribe, the subscribe button turns from red to gray. There's no subscribe button there any at all. So if new persons are supposed to come to our channel, they cannot subscribe to our channel, and they themselves will not find any videos because it is going to say to them,
no content is on this channel.
Yes, no content is on the channel. Like YouTube are some strange.
But I think that they haven't completed updated our channel, because you can subscribe, you know, but you can't subscribe from the home page. You would have to click like one of the videos, and then you will see the subscribe thing. Right.
It kind of really funny, because if you search, if you go in the search bar of YouTube and type in the Gordonz, you're going to see some of our videos come up.
You're not going to see the icon anymore, or circle.
Right. You're going to see some videos come up. You can click on the videos if you're not subscribed, and you can subscribe.
Yes, it's from there.
But if you go and click on the little section that says the Gordonz, that is normally below the video, you're going to see. You're not going to see the subscribe button, and you're not going to see the video.
And that's at the home page. And
that is at the home page. So you're not going to see the home page. Don't have no subscribe button none at all.
Yes.
I mean, I understand what we say, but you can go check it out for yourself, right? There is no subscribe button any at all. So YouTube do some shady business. It's like they don't want nobody to subscribe. Like, why give us back the channel if you have not finished reviewed our channel? You get what I say? Why you give back the channel then? Just review what you do and done. And just allow people to get back to the normal, regular schedule.
Correct.
Like, it's just weird that you're not giving back the subscribe button. Plus, then they take with banner as well. We had to put up the banner that is there, that has been there for a while. We have to put it up back. But so they never restore with
that would have happened, because most time they do that. Because people complain about that. And you have to set back your thumbnails, and your thumbnails are missing and all of that. You have to update. So,
it has been a rough 2 weeks for us, because we had so much in mind to do, even though we were even contemplating starting a new channel. That is how far we wanted. That is how much we really like what we do. We were about to start a new channel, you know. So it just messed up a little bit, but let us see how this thing progress and thing. Yeah. So guys, if you have not subscribed, let us show YouTube that, you know, things can really happen for you, and we're really striving to make it, and we're going to make it regardless of what they do.
Correct.
Yeah. So subscribe if you have not subscribed. Support the thing.
Yes, and help us grow this thing, you know, straight to the top.
Yeah. Live updates. Any other thing that we have to update on? We have some pretty interesting news and stuff in the future.
Yes, just
in future vlogs. Just keep watching our channel, and always see it.
You will see it.
All the little updates,
we won't talk about it here.
Yeah.
So, but I'm excited. I hope you guys are too.
I'm not pregnant. If you were thinking it.
I hope she is.
I'm not pregnant. That's not the news, right? Because, you know, some people will probably say.
So I'm talking about pregnant. If you guys want a Q&A about pregnancy and about our kids in the future, you guys can hit me up. Social media, don't forget.
Yeah, you can go and follow us on social media.
We make it very easy now. Raquemardon over by Instagram. Very easy.
In the description.
You'll see the name here. So this name, Instagram. Just go over to Instagram right now and follow us there. Grow our Instagram. You know?
Yeah, let us grow our Instagram as well. We really like to communicate with people over there, and if you guys come over there, I know it will be a lot of fun.
Yes. Ask us questions, guys. Ask us. And if you guys have any video idea in your head that you want us to do, then bring it to us.
I know, yeah, I know that there are some persons who want cooking videos. We have that, like, we have it planned out now. We head.
Long time.
We just need to do a few.
Need the gears. We just need the right gears. That's all. We
need a few more things. I don't know if I explain it properly, but we just need a few more things so we can actually get deep into that because, boy, we got some recipes that we want to do. So, what else is on the agenda? Oh, yours truly, I got another piercing. I always like this piercing, so I got it on Friday?
Yeah.
I got it on Friday to that Sunday. Yeah. So, if you like it, comment down below and tell me, you know, your piercings and stuff. Just let us have a little conversation in the comment section. Guys, we're happy to be back. There are certain things that are not really fully repaired on our channel as yet. Hopefully, those will be repaired in short order, so we can get things going and booming. Yeah. So we really appreciate you guys, and we thank you guys so much for watching our channel, for being close to us, even when YouTube say, oh, you can't unsubscribe because no content is on this channel. You guys remain faithful and loyal to our channel, and we say, oh, I'm not unsubscribe because they have to come back. We are back.
That show me our real friends.
That shows the persons who really support us. Yeah.
Big up on the damn self.
So guys, that is basically it. That has been our experience so far with YouTube. YouTube just messed up these days. And let me tell you something, guys. Before we even, cause me feel like me around all over the place. YouTube picks up every little thing in the background of your videos. If you go somewhere with music there, ensure say, I don't know, you people are not doing anything in that environment that is interesting, that you don't really want to put out. Because guess what? YouTube zoom in on the music clean in the background. You understand? And copyright it. So you have to be careful of the music or the area that you go into where music is at, because YouTube really pick up on it, and that will cause if you get a copyright strike. You understand? So now I have to be very careful. So yeah, our experience has been real strange with YouTube. I'm very grateful that we got it back in like 2 weeks time, because I in my mind was thinking that, oh, it's 6 months time before we get back to the channel, but here we are, and I am very happy that we got it back before 6 months, 2 weeks after, but they still not restored properly. So guys, if you missed us, tell us down below, and you know, comment the heart emojis or something to show us that you have made it to the end of this video. And that is all for now, and we will see you guys in our next video. Kim?
Phone like a problem. Just close it.
That don't make no sense.
Why?
Close out the video with me. If I get a problem, my phone will give a problem too.
Why? Come on.
So we'll see you guys in our next video, which is very soon, and it's going to be pretty lit. So stay tuned for that. So we'll see you guys in our next